Let's go over the ripper shanks. Ripper shanks are 4-hole ripper shanks. They're adjustable up and down. What this allows you to do is how deep you want to cut the soil and how much of a bite you want to get at one time. They're totally adjustable. They got 4 holes in them. In order to remove it, it's easier also if you pick up on that end there where you're pulling out. Slide your pin out. You can go up, which gives you less depth of dig underneath here, or you can go down to the top hole. So what this allows it to do, once it breaks up the soil, allows it to capture up in the back and allows you to drag it up to the location in order to get where you need it at.
Okay, so that's if I'm filling holes or leveling out some dirt?
That's correct. If you're going to be leveling out ground or you're digging a hole, that is what you want to do. You place that down and it just helps break up the soil a lot quicker and easier. These are also totally replaceable. If something happened to one, you can get a replacement for it.
Talk to me about these blades. I have a front blade and a back blade.
That's correct. This piece of implement is built so that you can work going forward or reverse. And the blade will cut as you're going backwards and the blade will cut as you're going forward. It just allows you to get your work done a lot quicker.
So I can drag the dirt or matter forward, lift up the box blade, and then smooth it out with the back blade?
And not only drag it, it will actually cut. That is a cutting edge on the bottom of it, and it extends down past the box itself. So it will actually cut while you're pushing.
So you're saying cut. What would I cut with this?
You cut the ground, the top layer of the ground off, or rocks or gravel, you cut the top layer off so that you can push it into the location that you're needing it in, whatever the material is.
So if I wanted to take the top layer off this field right here, I could do that, clear it off a little bit, and then till it.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And these blades are replaceable?
That's correct.
And reversible?
Absolutely.
So I can take the bolts out, flip it over, and have a new fresh blade?
That's correct.
When I wear this one out on concrete or cleaning the barn?
That's correct, and that's where you'll see a lot of your wear and usage is. People use it to clean out barns and running over concrete all the time. It just sits there and grinds it down. Once you get your dirt, you use your lift to level it out so that you can pull dirt into one location, or you can let it flow out the back when you get there. Once you get to the end and you raise it up, there'll be a pile of dirt there. Just pull up past it just a little bit, let your blade back down, start backing up. When you're backing up, you'll level the dirt back out. This will help you do faster work and get the same results out of it. These back braces are back here to support and keep your box blade from flipping over or back. It's so that you can raise it up. One thing to tell you about these back braces, they're also designed that if you hang it into something and it's something that it shouldn't have been hung into, it overloads it, these will collapse. They will bend and the box blade will roll up forward. If that happens, all you have to do is contact your dealer and order another set, replace them. It's only 3 bolts. Once you're replaced, you're back in business, ready to go.
Okay, so this prevents damage to your tractor?
That's correct.
And what would be something I would get into that I shouldn't be?
You could get into a rock ledge or a great big root. Most of the time, you know, your tractor will spin out or what have you, but if it didn't, then it would collapse this and bend it. You want to make sure you know how to unhook it. One thing you want to make sure of is that you unhook it on sort of level ground.
Okay.
The leveler the ground, the more easy it will be to unhook it. If it's in a bind or something other, it'll make it a little more difficult. You can't unhook it, but it's important to where you're going to set it.
Okay, so you want the ground to be level so that arms and everything are easy to attach.
That's
not
correct.
Crooked and
That's correct.
trying to make it match up.
It helps.
Okay.
It helps.
All right. If you have any questions, go to tarterusa.com, click on Chat with Tarter. We'll be able to help you out, or call 1-800-RED-GATE.